Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Natasha Denona Gold Palette. Now this palette I have not used, so for me it is kind of a first impression. It is a review. I know it is not brand new for everybody, but it is new to me. I've been really loving Natasha Denona's eyeshadow palettes, so I thought this one is just one that I must have. I've been really excited to try out this palette. I did my full face except for my lips because I wanted to kind of just get to the palette, and I have some exciting news, guys. I have a giveaway. So I'm going to reveal what the giveaway is at the end of this video and tell you how to enter. So stay tuned and let's dive right into this Natasha Denona palette. A decent sized mirror in there, and it has the little sheet with the names on it. I personally don't love those. I like when the names are on the palette because it's easy. The one nice thing though is it is attached, so it's not like always falling out, which is really great. But yeah, I really wish it was the names were on this palette so I could take this off because it really bothers me. I'm loving this brown, but we're gonna maybe try to incorporate some of this teal today, like the bluish teal, like that shade right there. Really pretty. It's almost greeny, like more on the greeny side, and there's like that like teal metallic, really pretty. There's the gold that has like a kind of teal duochrome, and that's so pretty. So there's some really gorgeous options in here. We'll just see what we come up with. So I'm going to prep my eyes with MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Morphe E30, my typical blending brush. It's my fave. With the color Aria, the shade Aria. It is that soft brown right in the first row. And I'm going to dip my Morphe E30 in, tap off the excess, and build that crease up a little bit. Okay. So now I'm going to take a Morphe E22, and I'm going to go first into Log. It's that darkest matte brown in the second row. And I'm just patting it along the crease. And then I'm going to do circular motions to kind of blend that out softly, but trying not to go too high. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is try to incorporate some of the teals. I'm going to take the Python, which is that dark kind of turquoisey teal, like greeny blue at the top. I'm gonna take a Morphe M322 and dip into that Python and just kind of applying it and patting it. And then I'm gonna increase it around, not like a high, and a little bit of That's a really pretty color. And I'm going to take my Morphe M30 and blend the edges. Ooh, that shade is really pretty. That shade blended really nicely as well. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to apply with my finger Aurora. It is the metallic kind of turquoise. And I'm going to apply it just on the middle of the eyelid. And I'm gonna go to the outer part of the lid. That's so pretty. Ooh, I like that. So I'm gonna go with Brass. It is a very, very creamy gold, but it has kind of like flecks of like a duochrome effect, kind of in some lights it looks turquoise. So I'm going to apply that on the inner part of my lid that I haven't yet applied product to. Holy smokes. Wow, guys, that's so beautiful and pigmented. Wow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do to kind of blend that is take a flat shader, just get a little bit of that product, just a little bit, and kind of pull it across and blend it in. So pretty. Just kind of blend those edges. Wow, that's gorgeous. So nice. You know, I was really wanting to do my like classic gold and brown, but man, am I ever glad that I went with this turquoise because it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna just take a little bit of this Sparks, and it's that kind of white metallic. It's not like overly pigmented when I swatched it. So I'm going to take, this is a Luxie Mini Flat Angled. It's a Luxie 111. It just fits right in my inner corner nicely, and I'm going to wet it with some MAC Fix Plus just to really pick up and place a good like inner highlight. So pretty. It's very soft actually. Just bring it down a little bit. Now I'm going to kind of wipe the excess of that off on my hand because I really like this brush also for getting right in there. And I'm going to pick up some of that Brass. That was that color I used on the inner lid. It's that one right there. And that color didn't do well on a brush. And then when I wet it, it kind of bunched up on the brush. So I think for that color, it's best to use a finger. If you used a brush, then it just won't be as intense, which I love the intensity of this color. I'm gonna take my Morphe E30 with some of the Aria, that light brown, dust it on the lower lash line, and kind of smoke it out a little bit. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of that dark brown. I'm going to take like a tight lining flat shade, like flat brush. This one's by Almar, which is a brand that I've been meaning to try their eyeshadow out, and I got it in a BoxyCharm box. So I'm just kind of bringing it along about halfway. This step also is nice because you can kind of connect it to the top and make everything look a little bit neater and the lines a little bit more clean. And I'm going to use the same brush and just kind of go back and forth and carefully smudge it out a little bit. Pretty much done. I'm happy with the look. Maybe just blend out the lines a little bit. Great color selection on Natasha Denona's part. Like, man, she's just good at what she does. The palettes always are so unique. And I really loved the turquoise aspect, even though when I looked at this palette to begin with, that was probably my least favorite part of the palette. Just from looking at it. I really like how there's a lot of different options for matte browns, from soft to dark. They have some really good golden metallics on different scales, like really that yellowy turquoise kind of duochrome that's on my lid right now. It's like bam in your face. And then they have like a really soft, actually like not even like almost just like a dusting of gold glitter, like very fine soft gold glitter. So there's options for everybody in here. It's really pretty. So I definitely recommend this palette. And I'm just forgot, as I'm talking, I remembered I'm gonna just highlight my brow bone ever so slightly with that Sparks. That was that white one. And then just kind of blend that. Okay, so I'm going to do my eyeliner, my mascara, and put on my falsies, and I will be right back. While I'm doing that, why don't we take a look at the swatches from this palette so you can really see all of the colors up close and personal. So I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I finished my look with, you know, my liner, mascara, falsies. I did my lips. I used some ColourPop products. I did ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Easy, did Money Side Up, the lipstick. And then I kind of topped it with Stone Fox, which is another lipstick. It's nice, it's a bit lighter, so it kind of brightens up the center. So my look is finished. My final review of this product by Natasha Denona is that I absolutely love it. I love the color, you know, selection, the uniqueness of the colors, and you know, obviously the Natasha Denona products are always great in quality, at least from what I've used. So, you know, the creaminess, the payoff, and the pigmentation are great. The blendability is amazing. So definite recommend. It is a little bit pricey, but if you have the money and you're looking for something a little bit higher end, this is a good option. Natasha Denona is a good brand to look into. So moving on to something really, really exciting. This is my very first giveaway. For the giveaway, I have some really exciting products. The Too Faced Christmas Star. It is the limited edition makeup collection. I don't need this, and it will be better used and appreciated by one of you guys. So it comes with 20 eyeshadows, 5 face products, and those are in an exclusive fold-out star design. I just wanted to reassure you guys, this is brand new. All of the product in this giveaway is brand new, hasn't been touched, except for the box, obviously. So moving on, you get that little, I guess it's like a star, Christmas star, and it folds out. And you get the 20 eyeshadows, 5 face products. It looks like there is a bronzer, a blush, and some highlights. You get a travel size Better Than Sex, which, guys, that is my favorite mascara of all time. I love it. So definite recommend. And then you get a Rich and Dazzling lip gloss, which I also have a few of, and they're really, really nice. They're really nice glosses, and they have some shimmer to it, which is a nice topper for your lipsticks or on its own. And it's in an exclusive shade called Ginger Snap. So I don't know what that is because it's an exclusive shade. So you guys will have tried a shade that I haven't tried. Yeah, so this is the first piece of the giveaway. Really exciting, or really, oh, right on the box here it says smells like gingerbread. That's cute. Too Faced is the best for their products smelling really yummy. Then you also get a Superhero It Cosmetics mascara. It's the Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. One of you guys will appreciate it more than I will. So I actually already had one that is not even half used. So like that I'm using upstairs. This one is obviously new. And so yeah, I thought that one of you guys would enjoy that. It's a really great mascara. It's good for length. It's good for volume. It's a pretty all-around good mascara. I do really, really like this one. And then the last product for the giveaway is also by It Cosmetics. It's the Je ne sais quoi Rose Hydrating Color Awakening Lip Treatment. This is anti-aging and skin loving. It has essential oils and butters, hyaluronic filling spheres, antioxidants, peptide infused. So that's all good for hydration, for, you know, keeping your skin youthful, which, you know, your lips age as well. Your lips and the skin around it age as well. So It Cosmetics has some really great products. So these I've heard really great things about, and I want to give this away to you guys. So this little, you know, kit here is going to be sent to one of you guys. So to be entered into this giveaway, all you have to do is, 1, be subscribed to my channel. So if you guys are already subscribed, you've already completed step 1. If you're not, just hit the red button below, and while you're at it, ring the bell, because you guys don't want to miss out on any more of my videos, because this will not be the only giveaway. So you want to stay tuned for future giveaways. I have some other products set aside, so make sure you ring the bell. And then once you've subscribed, just comment below in the comment section and let me know what kind of video that you guys would like to see. Would you guys like to see a haul? Would you guys like to see a review? And if so, what product would you like me to review? Or maybe you want to see a tutorial, like how to do a smoky eye, or how to, you know, contour the face for different face shapes, like anything. Let me know what you guys want to see. That is the second step to the giveaway. That's all you have to do, and your name will be entered into a draw. And then if you would like to have 2 entries, all you have to do is go check out my Instagram page and just share it to your story. So the post will have a picture of all this product and say giveaway on it. Make sure you share that to your story, and that's all you have to do. And then you get 2 entries, like double the chance of getting this free makeup. Like, what? Why not? You guys are enjoying my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and ring the bell, all of the things, and have an amazing day, guys. Thanks so much. Bye.